Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to pay later on Shein. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up Shein and log into your Shein account. So once you've logged into your Shein account, so what you're going to do, you're going to just add an item to your cart. So just how you make an order, you want to buy something, just add it to your cart and then go to your cart. So that I'm going to proceed with the checkout. So I just added some stuff in my cart, and then I'm going to go and proceed with checkout. So when you hit on checkout, it's going to get you to the order confirmation here. So here, yep, that's fine. You can choose these methods here, and then whatever you're interested in, is scroll down, and where you get to this payment method option here, scroll down and go to this payment method option here. And then now here, if you want to pay later on Shein, so you can choose any of these buy now pay later options. So for example, like if you hit on this buy now pay later option, simply select that, and then here you can choose any of these pay later options. So for example, like Klarna or Afterpay. So these are the options based on my region. You might have different options based on your region or the market you're in. So all you have to do is simply select one, for example like Klarna, hit on confirm, and then authorize this payment through my Klarna credentials, and then that's it, complete the transaction. In that way I will be able to pay later on Shein through these buy now pay later option. That's pretty much it is. Hope this information was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.